Hey guys, it's Beautiful, back with another video. So today I'm at school today. I got asked, hey, how do you get that, where did you get that lipstick colour from? I made that lipstick colour that I had in my last video. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to do that lipstick. So basically, all you need is some lip balm and an eyeshadow palette. So I've got a lot of eyeshadow colours. Literally choose any eyeshadow you want. I'm going to go with the same one that I done yesterday. So what you want to do first is you want to get your lip balm. Okay, you want to squeeze and just do that. Okay. And put it a little bit more to do the top. Just a tiny bit. So I've got my lip gloss on now, and I use this brush. So it's like a flat one, but it's so cool. It is a classic eyeshadow brush, as it says. But oh wait, is that the wrong direction? Oh well. Anyway, I'm going to do a dark brown with a tiny bit of gold. So basically what you do is you just get the brown eyeshadow on the brush, you got your lipstick on, so now just pat it on. Like that. And at the end, you do need to wipe it. We'll put like concealer on, foundation on, but yeah, I'm not putting concealer and stuff on because yeah. I just get like a little brush. I'm gonna get some of this. Ooh. Some powder around it, and sometimes I put a little bit actually on the lips like that. And then what I'm now going to do is I'm just going to get this massive brush thing and go to blend it over. Okay. Next, I'm going to get my next eyeshadow brush. This is thicker as my unicorn one. And I'm just going to put a little bit of gold. And when I mean a little bit, I go full out. Literally. Just put a bit of gold on there. Okay. So basically you can do this for any cause, literally, like you can do this for anything. This lipstick, and I love it. I really love it. But anyway guys, if you want to see some makeup tutorials, anything like that, my do makeup, but I literally only put a little bit of lipstick on, maybe a little bit of mascara, but I really don't go full out. But yeah, if you would like to see me do a makeup tutorial or anything like that, anything to do with makeup, hair, anything like that, put a comment down below what you want to see. Also, not just makeup, put down below what else you would like to see. I will do some more hit or miss Roblox videos soon, but Oh my god, that is not straight. Sorry guys. But yeah, I'm super excited for like the rest of this year, and I am going to try next week to do a video every single night. Monday I'll try, Tuesday I'll try, Wednesday I'll try, Thursday I'll try, Friday I'll try, Saturday I'll try, Sunday I'll try. But I have a date for you. I might do a YouTube video. I've said, but on the 26th of March, I might not be able to do a video because I'm really busy that day. And then 27th, I'll try and do a video for you guys in the morning, dinner time, anything like that. I'll try and get you on the 26th on the night time, around 10 o'clock. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and yeah, comment down below what would you like to see on this channel, because guys, I'm running out of ideas. What would you like to see, literally? Also subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the bell notifications if this is so stressful. I need to literally write like words what to say at the end. So yeah, comment down below what would you like to see. Like this video, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications to get a notification when a new video is posted. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!